you know, why is this one good for our bones where some other carbonated drinks may not be as good for our bones?
I love this question. Sodas are simulacrum. So simulacrum is a word that means it's pretending to be a real food, but it's not. So when you're making soda, they want to mimic the acidity of fermentation. So those organic acids remineralize your body. They put minerals back into your body versus phosphoric acid, which extracts minerals from your body. There's a natural sweetness that we want to leave in the kombucha, or we're just drinking vinegar and they put sugar in the soda. There's natural effervescence because yeast is what creates those bubbles. And yeast have a nutritional promise. So I truly believe that people crave bubbles because historically and in our DNA, which is potentially billions of years old, there's this transmitted wisdom that if bubbles are present, that means nutrients are present. Now that's the bait and switch, unfortunately, of the simulacrum, is that it's pretending to be something that it isn't. Whereas fermented beverages are the original sodas. Those are the original beverages that had that natural effervescence, those light bubbles. They put acids into your body that didn't deplete your body. They put minerals back into your body. And so you want to avoid anything that's pretending to be a fermented drink, and you want to drink fermented drink.